Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps companies hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. Deel handles all the complexities of international payroll, including taxes, benefits, and compliance. This allows companies to focus on their core business and grow their teams without worrying about the administrative burden of managing employees in different countries. What currencies are supported by Deel? Deel supports a wide range of currencies, including major currencies: USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, AUD, JPY, CHF. Emerging market currencies: MXN, BRL, INR, CNY, IDR, MYR, THB, PHP, VND. Cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin. This means that Deel can help companies pay employees in almost any currency, regardless of where they are located. How does Deel support multiple currencies? Deel uses a variety of methods to support multiple currencies, including local bank accounts. Deel has bank accounts in many countries, which allows it to pay employees directly in their local currency. Currency conversion. Deel can convert employee salaries from one currency to another. Cryptocurrency payments. Deel supports payments in a number of cryptocurrencies. What are the benefits of using Deel to pay employees in multiple currencies? There are many benefits to using Deel to pay employees in multiple currencies, including simplicity. Deel makes it easy to pay employees in multiple currencies. Accuracy. Deel ensures that all payments are made accurately and on time. Compliance. Deel handles all the complexities of international payroll compliance. Security. Deel uses a variety of security measures to protect employee data. Cost-effectiveness. Deel's pricing is competitive and transparent. How to get started with Deel. If you're interested in using Deel to pay employees in multiple currencies, here are a few steps you can take. Sign up for a Deel account. Provide Deel with information about your company and employees. Set up your payroll and payment preferences. Start paying your employees in multiple currencies. Deel is a powerful tool that can help companies pay employees in multiple currencies with ease. Deel's wide range of supported currencies, combined with its simple and secure platform, makes it an ideal choice for companies of all sizes. If you're interested in learning more about how Deel can help you pay employees in multiple currencies, please contact us today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on global payroll and HR.